Sleep is crucial for our overall well-being. However, the anxiety caused by bed bug infestations, or even the perception of having one, can disrupt this essential part of our lives. K&A Pest Control has been dedicated to bed bug extermination for 15 years, ensuring you get the restful sleep you deserve the first night after the treatment. Poor sleep can lead to numerous health issues. The anxiety from bed bug infestations can exacerbate these problems. Professional pest control services can handle your bed bug issues and improve your sleep quality. Bed bug infestations can have serious mental health impacts. The anxiety and stress they cause can be overwhelming. Dedicated to bed bugs exclusively, professional pest control services can help alleviate these mental health impacts. Productivity can suffer due to poor sleep caused by bed bug infestations. The anxiety they bring can make it difficult to focus. Effective and reliable solutions are essential to address these issues. Interpersonal relationships can be strained by the anxiety and stress caused by bed bug infestations. Professional pest control services can help restore harmony in your relationships by eliminating bed bugs. Eradicating bed bugs can be challenging and anxiety-inducing. K&A Pest Control has been dedicated to bedbug extermination for 15 years. Their expertise and commitment help you overcome these challenges. Trust K&A Pest Control to handle your bedbug problems efficiently and professionally without using dangerous and ineffective pesticides. Experience the relief of a bedbug-free home with our 12-month guarantee. Proactive steps are crucial in managing bedbug infestations. Early detection and consistent monitoring can make a significant difference. Utilize tools like mattress encasements and bedbug interceptors to effectively control and prevent infestations. Fast mental and emotional relief is crucial when dealing with bedbug infestations. We understand that and offer immediate results, non-toxic treatment, full house preparation, and a full 12-month guarantee. Trust K&A Pest Control for reliable and effective pest control solutions. With K&A Pest Control, you get peace of mind and a bed-bug-free home. Bed bugs are notoriously difficult to eliminate due to their small size, high reproduction rate, and ability to hide in hard-to-reach places. Long-term health and well-being can be affected by bed bug infestations. The anxiety they cause can have lasting impacts. You can trust our unmatched dedication and supporting reviews to ensure your long-term health and well-being. A skilled professional not only understands the behavior and life cycle of bed bugs, but also how it affects the homeowner. We use the most effective and safe tools and methods. We are available to take your call 24/7, 365. This expertise and level of support ensure the most thorough eradication of the bed bugs. With the assurance that an effective solution is being implemented, the mental and emotional stress associated with bed bug anxiety diminishes. You're less likely to experience the dread of being bitten at night or the worry of the infestation spreading, which allows for a more relaxed and uninterrupted sleep. Furthermore, the peace of mind that comes from knowing your bedbug problem is being handled by a competent professional can restore your sense of security in your home environment. This psychological relief is crucial as a safe and secure sleeping environment is a cornerstone of good sleep hygiene. Investing in professional pest control services not only addresses the immediate discomfort caused by bed bugs, but also supports long-term health and well-being through the restoration of restful sleep.